Shin, why is the webcam on me?
Because I love you. You know I will. Whether it's
I
an
didn't
its
think
eye,
I-
it doesn't matter.
What am I supposed to say?
I don't know. Whatever comes to your mind. Move it, dog. My spot.
Okay, whatever comes to my mind. My mind? Are you sure?
Yes.
Ay! You mad whore! You leave me
There's your dog standing there looking at you like, what the fuck?
taco! Come get the taco. Come get the taco. By the way, Jack in the Box rocks, you know? Jack in the Box rocks.
Yeah, your father asked me, you want anything? No, I'm okay.
Don't break my candy cane, bitch!
I'm offended.
Yes, you should be. Ah!
See?
I still don't see why the webcam's on me, but okay. I feel
See?
up! Yay! I'm a camera work. Woo! No, I'm not. Well, technically, yeah.
See?
Come get the taco. That's a burp. Oh, that was weak.
Oh, that was...
Oh, that was a little bit better.
No,
Oh, nope, still weak. You want taco?
that was sexy, darling.
Come get the taco. Show the people your nose.
Blue. Blue bear.
Y'all, this is Blue.
In one of the previous videos. That was made by Cassie.
This is Shin. You never give out your sneezeness.
I know, that sounds like my house.
Full source.
Hello.
I feel naked.
Why? You're not. Unless I do...
My neck.
Oh.
I'm not wearing my dog tag.
Would you like mine?
No, not good though.
I'm holding your charger. See? If I don't hold it, it don't charge.
Being an asshole.
Oh, you mean like your ex-boyfriend?
What, one?
Matt. Not the ex-fiancé, the ex-jackass. Yes, I'm talking about you. No, you can't do shit about it.
God damn it, every dog's eyes are on my taco.
I'm a dog.
And this taco has straight bye-bye.
Oh,
This is it. Conclusion of this video because I'm sick of being in one come. Bye, y'all. This is bad, babe. Shin's right there.
Using my friend's account.
Yeah, I guess I could say I'm using my friend's account since she's the one that put the webcam on me. But whatever. Bye, guys.
Where did she go?
I don't know where she went. Bye.